The Spring Theatric Workshop and Preview Show was held April 27th at the Neosho campus in Elsie Plaster.
This workshop was our annual Spring Theatrical Workshop and Preview Show. And I say annual, but we haven't had the opportunity to present this event since 2019, so we're super excited to have schools back in our space. Today we hosted about 50 students, and what students did this morning was between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. they went to workshops. And there were 4 workshops, and each workshop had a creative faculty member as well as a college student who helped to facilitate those workshops.
The first workshop was improv, led by student Dora Gilreath and faculty member J.P. Dickey. In this workshop, Gilreath and Dickey led students in numerous games to keep the students on their feet and ready to say or do anything. They played games such as One Word at a Time, What Are You Doing?, Yes, Let's, and Improv Freeze Tag. The second workshop was Understanding Shakespeare, directed by student Langley Miller and director Elizabeth Armstrong.
It's an amazing space for young artists to explore and learn new things. For example, Shakespeare. Through this show, many of us have transformed our thoughts on him, and we're willing to bring other people in, other students, and we can spread our love of theater and our love of Shakespeare and our love of Crowder to them and hopefully grow the program even more. We taught high school students how to understand Shakespeare. Shakespeare gets a bad rap for being boring and stuffy, but if you apply certain techniques, we can really turn Shakespeare into something that's interesting and fun and hopefully even funny. And I hope that a lot of students left here today with a newfound appreciation for the Bard.
The third workshop was Stage Combat, led by student Micah Korick and faculty member Annie Smith, who studied theater and stage combat for 7 years. Here they started off with some stretches, and then Smith and Korick displayed the best form and techniques for convincible stage combat. After safety rules and being paired up, the students got to test these techniques out for themselves. Lastly, students were able to talk to Crowder's recruiter, Christy Chapman, about transferring after high school and college life. This was a great way for surrounding schools to learn not only about theater, but Crowder as well. This is Isabel Bryson, Crowder Century News.
Jumping jacks! Yes! Push-ups! Yes!